Welcome back. Now, once you have set your public profile, you're going to want to go to the settings link, and you'll basically have all of your account settings that you can set. If you want to connect your social media, you can do that from these links. Now, if you want to change your email, you can do it from this page, and you'll need to make sure to confirm your email with your password. Also within the account settings are going to be your preferences. So if you're going to primarily operate using a specific language, you're going to want to designate that here. You're also going to want to designate whatever your currency is going to be. In this case, we've indicated that our region is going to be the United States. You'll need to indicate your region using this drop-down menu. And in terms of communication with Etsy, you can indicate if you want to receive postal mail and if you want to receive phone calls. Once you have indicated everything that you're going to be doing in terms of your preferences, you're going to click this button that says Update Preferences. You then have privacy settings. And you can go through these areas to make sure that Etsy is handling your data correctly. And you can indicate whether you want others to be able to find you by your email address. If that's not something you want, you can indicate that by no when you were going through and updating your privacy settings. If you don't want to receive personalized advertising, you can turn it off. And once you have completed your privacy settings, you can click Update Settings. Once you've done that, you can go through your Security tab. You can enable two-factor authentication so that if an individual gets access to your account, they would need to go through a second layer of security. And you can look to this page to determine where your account has been accessed from. You can then go to your addresses area. If you're going to be receiving items through Etsy, you can indicate an address where you want those items to be sent. When it comes to making purchases, you can leave a credit card on file by clicking this link. And you can indicate your notification preferences. And you can tick and untick these boxes based on how and when you want to receive your emails. Once you have those notifications set, you can then click Save Settings. Once you've completed this, you will then have worked through your Settings tab. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.